finna ask me. Stop.
6 time out with them at 703 Arcadia.
Ain't no fucking
Hey, hold on.
They all some goofy ass bitches, bro.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to stop right now. Stop.
What,
Stop.
you finna
Stop.
tase me?
What you're about to see is not just a toxic ex-boyfriend. It's a situation that quickly spirals out of control.
No, I don't need to tase you if you want to just stop right now.
Stop. I don't want to stop, man. I just want to walk and calm down, bro.
Stop right now. We're gonna just stop.
No, you're not.
Please stop.
You're not gonna touch me.
Please.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Take a walk and calm down.
Please stop. Please stop. Stop. Go stand over there now.
Baby, listen to them. Baby, listen to them.
Now.
Baby, listen to them. I am drunk. I just want to take a walk and calm down. I've been taking a...
In his pocket.
You see that one custody?
My phone's in his pocket.
I'm all good, guys. I'm just a little bit drunk. I just want to talk to her.
Hey, we're gonna be in this house. I'm gonna talk to you over here.
Baby, listen to them. Baby, listen to them. Listen to what they're saying, okay? It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna fuck my way out of this.
Stay right here.
I'm sorry, I'm a little bit drunk. If y'all
Okay,
need to
I see
help
that. I see
me,
that.
I will ask for it.
Okay. Okay. Here. You want to sit up? Just sit right here. Stay right here.
I can talk to an officer, please. I'm just really drunk. I just want to talk to
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I just need to know what's going on, okay?
I think I might need to be partially admitted to a hospital.
You want to go to rescue? Yeah? Okay.
I got overly drunk, and I know I have some alcohol problems.
Okay.
Today I snapped and I wanted to kill myself.
Okay.
I don't want to hit her. That's my girlfriend. That's my baby mother. I love her to death. I love my baby to death. I don't want to be around her with this personality.
Okay.
I have multiple mental disabilities.
Okay.
I just don't want her to be around any of it. So I was trying to get her to walk away back to the car that was supposed to pick us both up. I just didn't want to hurt her.
I'm gonna let you go, but I need you to stay there, okay?
May I stand up? I do have some breathing problems. I'm down on the floor.
Well, I can't stand you up right now, considering you just tried to fly, okay? You just tried to run from us.
I get it. Can I stand on one knee?
You wanna be on your knees?
Is that available if I stand on my knees just so I can get the airflow to my lungs?
Absolutely. I'll help you, okay? Which one do you want to get up on? This one? Okay. You okay right there?
Yeah. My hand hurts. I'm tossing my keys over to my other hand.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry I ran. I was just really nervous. I have very bad anxiety and PTSD.
Okay.
But I just didn't want to hurt her. When I see the flashlights, I panicked. I thought she called the cops on me.
She didn't call the cops. Other people called the cops, okay?
And I was just trying to have a conversation with my sister, and she snapped and called the cops, and I walked away because I didn't want no more problems.
Okay.
My fiance was like baby mama.
Okay, I got you. So.
And I love her, my baby daughter, to death.
Okay.
And I didn't want to hurt her, so I was trying to give her a test, hey, I'm bucking up, please don't come near me.
Okay.
And I did, because I didn't want to hurt her. I don't want to hurt nobody. I just want to fucking die. I just want to die in peace. I want to drink my alcohol so I can't feel it go.
Okay. So we had calls about a physical disturbance here. Did you put your hands on your fiance at all? Did you hit her?
I did not hit her.
What did you do?
No, she had hit me in my face, trying to push me away, and I ducked. It caught me in the eye. I'm sorry. Hold on. And I kind of backed up and kind of put my chest up, hey, you wanna go? Okay, we can go, but you finna go after I calm down. I was giving her my chest the whole walk down from the start, the end of Arcadia Drive into Fairmont.
Okay, so
from that corner all the way down, I was trying to give her that chest, just putting my chest out, just trying to let her know, hey, back up, please. I know I'm drunk. I know I'm out of it. I know I don't. mean anything I do or say. I just want you to be away so you don't have to see it. You know, and I had a couple of guys trying to give me a ride back because I was trying to talk to my sister, you know, talk some things out. I had a no contact order against them, so I tried to talk some things out about them. See if they could, you know, if it was still active. I just want to feel the peace.
Okay.
I just want to close my eyes and feel the peace.
So my question is, with you, Michael. So when did things start today?
I came over to my brother Cole's memorial, who got shot over there.
Okay.
And a person who I'm not supposed to be in contact with was over there when I showed up. And I asked her, like, hey, could I have a moment to, like, knowing that we have a no contact order, I asked her, you know, if we could just trade spots for a little bit. Like, if she could go back home and I could just come see my homie for a little bit. And things got heated and I was drunk, so I walked away. And she got real loud and real mouthy about it. So I turned around and I was like, you know what, you want to talk about this? Let's talk about this, you know?
Look, I hope you know we're not against you, okay?
I know, and I'm sorry, guys. I was just a little drunk. You know, I've sobered up a little bit.
I heard you were having a tough time tonight and drinking and it just got a little too much. Hey, I've been there. I've drank way too much before too, man.
I didn't want to touch her. I didn't want to hurt her. I just wanted, you know, all I did was try to puff my chest out, like let her know, like, hey, like,
I get it.
Back up, like, you know, I don't want to hurt you. I just want to be able to walk home.
And your statement is going to be exactly like that in the report, okay? You know, everything you've told us.
So what's going on tonight?
So we got to take a ride to county tonight, okay? All right, and I can explain everything to you there. Just tonight, okay? And I'll explain it all to you there, okay?
What time is the judge? Am I gonna be able to see a judge tomorrow?
I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure it out when we get there, okay?
Okay.
We can figure it out together, okay? Yeah, she's okay.
I really wanted to give her a hug.
But you know what? I have the cousin's phone number, and I'll give it to you at the jail, so you can make a call once you get there and make sure she's okay. She's concerned about you, and I explained what's going on. I want to say, last time I was in, when it asks you to say the United States of America, it doesn't work for my voice no more. Okay.
I think I went in there like right before my puberty hit. I don't want to try to make you laugh, but yeah, my voice doesn't work on the recognition no more.
Okay.
So I just didn't know like how you go from there.
Okay. Well, we can figure it.
Would I let a CO know?
Possibly. If you have any questions that have to do with the jail, ask them, because I don't work there. I can't answer all those questions. What we're gonna do really quick is, I know we kind of like sort of patted you down over there when we unfortunately had to I'm gonna search you real quick, okay? Just because you're in our... No, what we're gonna do, just so we don't have to like do all this and move you around too much.
I had no problem with getting out. And,
no, it's okay. What I'm gonna do, just to keep you in here already, since we're just gonna take off real quick. It's cold out here. She's gonna search this side, and I'm gonna go on the other side and search you. Okay? All right.
Can I get medical attention as well?
Yeah, I will write down anything at the jail that you need.
Like, I haven't been able to lay on this side.
Okay, yeah, we can get that checked out, because they have a whole medical thing that we can put in at the jail, so they can get you looked at by a doctor there.